Okay guys, this is room 2109 on the Carnival Sensation. We have closet number 1. We have our safe, life jackets, and some shelving. This was this was quite a surprise for us. We booked last minute, so we don't get to pick our staterooms. By not picking them, we don't know what we're going to have, whether it's an interior or what we'll get here. So we have this closet. And we were pleasantly surprised with this room. A second full-size closet. A lot of times your second closet has shelves. Okay. Hair dryer in your top drawer here. We have not yet unpacked. Okay. We have a nice little mini fridge cooler. I believe they classify them as coolers because they don't stay that cold. All of your QR directories here. Hello. Hi, Nanny. Nice full-size mirror. It looks... I like how that's mirrored up top there. Okay. And then we have the 2 twin beds, which you can have them put together as a king also. And our nice little pleasant surprise here is we got the porthole room. And if you've seen our introduction to this series video, you know we got one heck of a deal on this ship. And then the added bonus, let's see, oh, here's our extra shelves here. Extra shelves here under the TV. I mean, this is a nice size room. And again, this is 2109 on the Carnival on the Carnival Sunshine. And then we also have the couch sitting area, which can be used for a 3rd-person bed. Right here. And underneath, a nice little table. We can sit here and have a glass of wine later. I'm excited. Pull from underneath, I believe. And here we have 2 drawers under with extra linens for the extra bed. And then last but not least, we have a very blue bathroom. Very blue. Very standard bathroom here for a cruise ship. This one does have the curtain. In March, we were on the Celebration and it had the door, which was super, super nice. And then, of course, you have your clothesline here in case you need to dry your swimsuits. And shower gel and shampoo. And that's going to do it for a quick tour here of 2109 on the Carnival Sunshine. You see how much room it has. Super excited about spending 4 nights in here. But for now, we are going to get ourselves ready for dinner and go see what kind of treats they have for us here on board the Carnival Sunshine. Thank you guys. Make sure and subscribe to watch the rest of this cruise trip and all of our other vacation and travel ideas. Thanks, guys.